Ever wondered how people built incredible physiques when there were no fancy gyms and machines? What was that secret that created warriors and Greek godlike bodies? That secret is still just as powerful today, and you already have it. Many of you look in the mirror every day and think, I wish I had a body like that. I wish clothes looked that good on me. But then the hefty gym fees, the hassle of commuting, and the confusion of thousands of exercises stop you right there. So let's first understand what an attractive body actually is. It doesn't mean becoming a bodybuilder at all. It means a balanced and natural-looking physique. Just think about it. Broad shoulders that stand out in a t-shirt, to slim waist that gives you that killer V-shaped look, toned arms and slightly visible abs. Basically, a body that's not just strong, but also makes you feel confident no matter what you wear. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the straight, easy, and step-by-step routine and path to build this exact body at home with zero confusion. Look, this isn't some magical video. This is a promise. If you follow what I share in this video with complete honesty for the next 90 days, I guarantee you won't just change your body. You'll transform from within. Your confidence, your energy, your perspective on yourself, everything will change. So if you're truly ready to change your life, forget everything else for the next 10 minutes because the first day of your new life starts right now. Now, the first question in your mind must be, okay, the talk sounds good, but how will I build muscle at home without lifting heavy weights at the gym? Good question. And here lies the fitness industry's biggest myth. The myth is that you must go to the gym to build muscle. But the truth is, your muscles don't know whether you're at the gym or in your room. They only understand one thing, and that's challenge. Think of it as a story. Suppose today you lifted a water bucket 10 times. It's the first time you had to put in effort. But if you keep lifting that bucket 10 times every day, what will happen after 15 days? It'll start feeling extremely light. So will your body get stronger now? No. Why? Because your body has adapted to that challenge. Now for real growth, what do you need to do? Simple. You need to add a little more water to that bucket. Make it heavier than before, so your muscles get a new challenge. Friends, this simple science is called progressive overload. That means to grow your muscles, you keep gradually increasing the challenge step by step. In the gym, people increase this challenge by adding plates. And at home, we'll increase this challenge by making exercises harder. We'll increase reps from 10 push-ups to 15 push-ups. We'll change exercise form from normal push-ups to diamond push-ups. We'll reduce rest time. So get it out of your head that you need to lift weights. No, you need to challenge your body, and we'll create that challenge right at home. Now that you understand the science behind it, let's get to the real action. Here's your home workout plan. All right, warriors, enough theory. Now, it's action time. Welcome to your 90-day blueprint. I've divided this plan into 3 parts, so your entire body grows in a balanced way. Push, pull, and legs. But before starting this plan, let me tell you a golden rule. Form is greater than reps. 5 correct push-ups are better than 10 wrong ones. Feel every moment. Squeeze the muscle. Don't do it fast. Do it right. Our weekly schedule will look like this. We'll only work out 3 to 4 days a week. Remember, growth doesn't happen during the workout, but during rest. Monday is push day, where we focus on chest, shoulders, and triceps. Tuesday is rest, because recovery is the key. Wednesday is pull day, where we focus on back and biceps. Thursday is rest to let the muscles heal. Friday is legs and core day with full legs and abs focus. Saturday is active recovery with light stretching and 30-minute walk. Sunday is full rest where you enjoy your entire day. Now let's talk exercises. You'll do 3 sets of each exercise, and in each set, try to get 10 to 15 reps until your muscle says, that's it, no more. For push day, targeting chest, shoulders, and triceps. Number 1 is push-ups. 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. When normal push-ups become easy, put your feet on something elevated like a sofa or chair to do incline push-ups. This increases the challenge even more. Number 2, Pike push-ups. 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This is the best exercise for your shoulders. Go down slowly and come up explosively. Number 3, chair or bed dips. 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. This targets your triceps, which increases arm size. When it becomes easy, straighten your legs or put something heavy in your lap, like a bag full of books. So that's our push day. Now let's talk about pull day. Number 1 is bodyweight rows or bedsheet rows. 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. This is the most effective exercise for training back at home. Hang any sheet in a strong door or lie under a strong table to do this. The more parallel you are to the ground, the harder this exercise becomes. Feel your back squeezing. Number 2, Superman. 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. This is very important for your lower back. Squeeze your back muscle well in every repetition. So we've talked about pull day. Now let's discuss number 3, legs and core day, where we target our legs and abs. First exercise is squats. 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. When it becomes easy, hold for 2 seconds at the bottom or put a heavy bag on your shoulders. The most important thing here is your form. You need to maintain correct form. After that is number 2, lunges. 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions per leg. This targets your glutes and quads along with balance and stability. After that, the next exercise is number 3, plank. 3 sets. And in this, you need to hold yourself for at least 30 to 45 seconds in plank position, as long as you can. This is for your entire core strength, not just abs, right? To keep your body in a straight line. This is a very powerful exercise. After that is number 4, crunches. 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Do this slowly and focus on squeezing your abs. No strain on the neck at all. So this is your workout plan. Simple, powerful, and effective. But let me tell you a bitter truth. You can follow the world's best workout plan, but you won't get even 1% results if you miss the next part. Because the real game starts after the workout. Okay, the game changer is your diet. As I said, the real game starts after the workout. So what's that game? That game's recovery. And the biggest weapon of recovery is your food. Understand it like this. When you do push-ups, you're actually slightly breaking your chest muscle fibers, which are called micro tears. Your body says, hey, there's damage here. I need to fix this and make it stronger than before for next time. But to rebuild that broken wall, the body needs cement, right? And that cement is your protein. And where will the workers carrying that cement to the wall get their energy? That energy is carbohydrates. If you're working out and breaking muscle but not giving it the right cement and energy to build, your body will never grow. Simple. The perfect diet plan. You don't need to do any fancy diet. You don't need to take expensive supplements. Just need to go to your kitchen, and the golden rule is eat 80% home-cooked nutritious food and 20% whatever you feel like. It's just this much. Minimize outside fried junk food and soft drinks. Here are some things you must include in your diet. The first fuel, which is most important, is protein. This is the cement for your broken muscles. Growth is impossible without it. Where will you get this? From eggs, cottage cheese, lentils, chickpeas, soy chunks, milk, and yogurt. Number 2, fuel is carbs. This is your body's petrol. It gives you energy to work out. Where will you get this? From roti rice, oats, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and fruits. After that, number 3 is healthy fats. This is your body's lubricant. It's very important for hormones and joints. And you'll get this from almonds, walnuts, ghee, and peanuts. One more thing people always forget is water. Drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Your muscles are 70% water. Never underestimate water. So now you have the workout plan and the fuel plan to support it. But what ties these two together is the most important thing. That's the last and most powerful secret of this transformation, the final secret. So what's that final secret? What's that thing that creates the difference between a successful person and someone who gives up? That secret is consistency. Motivation is like a spark here today, gone tomorrow. But discipline is that habit that makes you work even when you don't feel like it at all. The day you feel lazy, that's when your real battle will be. The day you're tired, that's when the real test will be. The day you feel like nothing is changing, that's when you need to trust yourself the most. This 90-day journey isn't just your body transformation. It's a test of your willpower. Every day you'll make a promise to yourself and keep it. Just 30 minutes of workout and home-cooked nutritious food. That's it. When you win these small battles every day, after 90 days, you won't just see a person with a better body in the mirror. You'll see a person who keeps their promises every day. A person who doesn't give up when things get tough. That same confidence will reflect in your walk, in your voice, in your eyes. Your 90-day challenge starts now. So now everything is in your hands. I've shown you the path. I've explained the science. I've given you the workout plan and told you the fuel plan. You just need to take one step. The first step is to like this video so it gets saved in your liked videos and you can watch it again. And subscribe to Brilliance Hub because I'm with you on this 90-day journey and I'll make more videos ahead that will help you. The second and most important step is go to the comment section and write day 1. I am ready. This isn't just a comment. This is a public promise you're making to yourself. This is your declaration to this community that you're ready for this challenge. Remember, 90 days are going to pass anyway. The question is, where do you want to be after 90 days? In the same place, complaining, or as a new, more confident, and more powerful version of yourself? The choice is yours. Your time starts now.